What's the meaning of CO? CO. CO.
CO. CO. CO can refer to different things depending on the context. In general, it can be an abbreviation or acronym for various terms such as carbon monoxide, commanding officer, certificate of origin, or Colorado State in the United States. Carbon monoxide is a toxic gas that can be produced by incomplete combustion of carbon-based fuels, and is a significant air pollutant. Commanding officer refers to the person who holds the highest rank in a military unit, and is responsible for leading and commanding the troops. Certificate of origin is a document that certifies the country of origin of goods.